Are you interested in a new game that's set to be coming soon on Apple Arcade? And you're not sure exactly when the game releases on the platform? Well, not to worry. Apple gives you the option to stay notified of the game's release with just a single tap. To get notified, first of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Head over to the Arcade section of the App Store from the bottom menu. Now, scroll down below until you get to the Coming Soon section. You'll find all the upcoming games here. You can swipe right or left on the cards here to see what they are. When you find a game that interests you, tap on Get. You'll now get a pop-up message on your screen stating that you'll be notified when this game becomes available. That's it. You'll notice that the Get button is now grayed out. Now that you've done this, you will receive a notification on your iPhone or iPad when the game actually goes live on Apple Arcade. You'll also receive an email regarding the same. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.